Welcome to Ceiven training. Today we want to deal with how you can actually secure your Facebook account. You know, when you started Facebook, don't think that people are not watching. People are watching at you. They're looking at what you are doing, okay? But they will come. Hackers will not come to you right now. They wait until when that Facebook has grown. You've gotten a lot of followers. Now you are monetized. You want to start making money. That's when hackers will start putting interest on your Facebook account. And if you didn't protect it now, then hey, I'm laughing because they can easily hack it. And when they do, they will change everything. Change password, change everything, and before you know, you can't have license to it again. Okay? So how do you secure your Facebook account securely so that hackers or even Facebook themselves, because sometimes there are some things that you want to do, maybe Facebook now ask you a question you can't remember, but if you have secured, so you can use other third parties that you use to secure it to ask you a question. When I mean third party, I'm talking about you bringing somebody else. No, right here on Facebook I will show you how. Okay, let me show how you can actually make use of two-factor authentication or other method to secure your account. So how do you do that? Go over to your account right there at the right hand corner, top right hand corner, or that three dots that you are seeing, or that image that you are seeing. Okay, click on it and move on to settings and privacy. For settings and privacy, click settings. Okay, right there in settings, if you check your left, you see Meta Account Center, personal details, password and security, add preferences, verification. Where are we going? We are going to password and security. We want security for our account. Okay, we want to secure our account. So you click on that same password and security once again. You immediately open here. This is where you can get all your information. Okay, information like your email address that you use, the phone number that you use, everything that you use. In case you've lost your password, this way you can, and you don't remember the email address you use, this is where you can get it. Okay, so but we are going to password and security. You want to secure our account, so you click on password and security once again, and here you cannot change your password if you want to. Maybe you find out that somebody have known your password and you can use it. So here you come over, you can even show somebody your password mistakenly, or maybe because person is teaching you something. But after the OT, you can come over here and change your password. That is the first point, number one. Change your password. Always protect it. Once it's compromised, change it. When somebody else have seen it, or you perceive that people have seen it, or people are going to your account, change your password. Then after changing your password, you go to the next one, which is two-factor authentication. Okay, so you click on it, open it up, and then you want to add the two-factor authentication. And to do that, Facebook will like you to input your password again, because they want to make sure that it is you who is doing this. Otherwise, somebody else can come over here and do this same thing and get away with it. Before you know, your Facebook account is hacked. So let's put our password. You too, put your password on this. So put your password and then click continue. Yeah, it has gone. Okay, so the moment it open like this, a two-factor authentication. Which one do you want? Do you want text message to this number, which is number you use? Then additional method, see how to log in securely even if your other method aren't available. You click on it. Add a backup method, authentication app. You have like Google authentication app and stuff like that. Security keys. You can also put a security keys that you can always use. Trusted devices, like once you input them it will work. So you find out that Facebook has a lot of security features for you. Okay, have you ever come here before now? So make sure that you utilize as many as possible. But anyone you use, please don't forget, know what you use. Okay, because any day your WhatsApp or your Facebook has problem, all these things will be demanded. Or even if you want to do anything like changing your password or anything I do right now, they will also use the same method. Okay, but the good news is that it helps to secure your account. Okay, so you click on the first one, which is to use your text message and this to make sure that it is on. If you also want to use another phone number, you click use a different phone number, and it also asks for your password again to make sure that it is you that is doing all this. Okay, so once you're through with that, you go to the next one. You come to your where you all these other things is just peripheral. You don't need them. Here is what matters. Okay, so once you're through with all the factors that Facebook has given you, you click save. and this is how you can secure your Facebook account from being hacked. Okay, please, if you've done any, if you forget any of them, kindly ask me on the comment section. I will guide you. If you've done it, tell us on the comment section. If you have better ideas or other ideas, tell us on the comment section. We are all here to learn. Thank you for being there, hanging around and learning with Ceiven today. See you in our next class. But please, have you subscribed? Have you followed us? Please do please. Thank you. Bye.